As I walked into the venue of the unveiling of the all-new 2024 Volkswagen Amarok, I expected to see a rumble of pickups, rugged, boxy and all business. But what stood before me was no brute. It was a James Bond in pickup form, suave, sharp and utterly captivating. The second-generation Amarok, aptly named after the Inuit word for lone wolf, has officially landed in Ghana, and it is here to redefine the pickup game. This versatile pickup comes in 5 distinct trims, each catering to a unique taste. The base model, a dependable workhorse for those who prioritize function over flair. The Amarok Life, designed with comfort in mind for daily driving. The Amarok Style, blending comfort with standout design. The Amarok Pan-Americana, for off-road adventurers who demand rugged capability with a hint of flair. And the top-tier Amarok Aventura, dripping in luxury and sophistication. This is the one you want if you are not planning to haul gravel or hay bales anytime soon. Now, let's talk about the beating heart of the Amarok. All the 5 trims come with the same 2-liter turbo diesel engine, but with different variants. The base model kicks things off with a 2-liter turbo diesel engine delivering 168 horsepower and paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. The Amarok Life steps things up with the same engine but offers an optional 10-speed automatic, cranking out a robust 207 horsepower. The Style, Pan-Americana and flagship Aventura all features the 2-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering the full 207 horsepower, enough to conquer the city street or off-road trails with ease. Step inside and you are greeted with a digital dashboard that is as sleek as it is informative. The massive infotainment touchscreen dominates the center console, showcasing Volkswagen's signature luxury and cutting-edge tech. The control buttons and gear lever are crafted to satisfaction, and the cabin is roomy enough to comfortably sit 5 adults. It's a space where form meets function in the best way possible. And the exterior, let's just say, is designed to stand out. The new front fascia combines a bold grille with an intelligent headlight system that gives the Amarok an unmistakable presence. The base model, Life and Style all ride on 16-inch all-terrain tires, while the Pan-Americana and Aventura roll out on striking 20-inch alloy wheels that exude class. But this is no ordinary pickup. Designed in Germany, engineered in Australia, and built in South Africa, the Amarok is truly a global creation, a culmination of engineering excellence from 3 different continents. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. The new Volkswagen Amarok has become, without a doubt, the James Bond of pickup trucks, sleek, capable and ready for any mission Ghana can throw its way. And there you have it, the all-new 2024 Volkswagen Amarok. It is more than just a pickup truck. It's a statement of power, precision and sophistication. Whether you are looking for a workhorse, a daily driver or an off-road adventurer, the Amarok delivers on every front. This pickup truck seems to be designed for those who dare to stand out, who value quality and who demand the best. From its bold design to its luxurious features and world-class engineering, the Amarok is here to redefine what a pickup can be. So, are you ready to experience the James Bond of pickups? I know I am. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. If you are new to the channel, be sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss an update when I release a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.